Hello, hello, this is Zari. So today is March 11, 2025. It's 5:18 a.m. in the morning. It's Outbound Day. I'm just getting ready to go to UST, to the campus. Our call time is 6 to 6:20, and my travel time is 30 minutes through Move It or Angkas. I'm wearing our Type B uniform today, just the top, because I personally don't like the shorts. So thankfully, pinayagan kami to wear pants. So yeah, I guess I'll see you there when I'm on campus now. Bye! Hey, I'm with Hannah. Hi! Nasa 66. Punta kami ng Lawson. We're gonna buy my matcha.
Hindi mo ganda.
Thank you, ate. Natapan yung matcha ko. First time ko bumili ng matcha.
Tikman mo na lang.
Nangaasar lang si Zia.
Here na kami sa bus.
Hindi pwede. Di ba malagos dito?
Sa gitna tayo. Here's the grandstand. So cute. Say hi to the vlog! Feeling ko ngayon yung field trip today, medyo chill lang siya. Kasi ganun naman yung mga field trip sa UST. Usually yung mga typical na parang EK, mga ganun.
Educational.
Yeah, educational. And religious.
Grabe. Ay, joke.
Ay, taray! Nalagay ko siya dito.
Okay, takpan natin. Attendance. The best matcha. Never forget.
So, mayroong isang kwento na noon daw may nalulunod dito sa lawa na to. Matandang babae. Okay? So, inaagos siya ng tubig. No?
University of Santo Tomas. Okay? Sarap sabihin. Okay. So, we're here at DYCI, because of our robotics, okay? So, just to give you a little preview on why we are doing this, started in 2007. So, medyo matagal na. So, since 2007,
Hi guys, we're taking a video. A photo of Chloe. That's Chloe. This is me. This is Isha. I don't know how I look like kasi laban ng mata ko, guys. But yeah, this is my fit check. This is UST, B-pop. This is Puma. Hi guys! We're taking over Zia's vlog.
Okay, going to Alam. See you. Wala kang takas sa akin, Sabina.
Yup, let's go.
Walang takas sa akin si Sabina. Lagi siyang masasama sa camera.
Pagkawa tayo sa nating robot.
That is so cool.
That is so cute.
Collect real-time data po from our ocean, since one of the major causes of fish kills are harmful algal blooms po. Ang goal niyo po is for early detection po ng harmful algal blooms. Meron po siyang different sensors such as yung temperature and pH levels po para po mas accurate po yung makuha namin na data from the ocean. And meron din po kaming digital microscope.
This will showcase our capability to succeed, even in unprecedented circumstances. Before Olympic 2020, we want to demonstrate who we are as a team and as a nation when we call the World Champions Swimming in the Red Robot Olympiad. It was a remarkable achievement, solidifying our place as a world-class robotics team. In total so far, the team has with panels for 3 very quickly projects. The project cycle, reflections of our the pushing the limits of technology and contributing to the world of robotics.
This one is Hero, the champion. Humanoid for educational reinforcement operations. Ano ginagawa niyo?
Nagtuturo siya.
Yan!
Nagtuturo siya. Learn the basics of English, science, math.
Oh, there's Zia. Oh, ayan. Naman siya. Hindi mo kaya. Nakalagay naman ng festival.
Ang collection is souvenirs about Bukawi and about our national hero, Lord Rizal. And ito naman nasa gitna, if familiar kayo sa pagoda, yan yung pagoda structure last 2020. Ito yung sample ng pagoda ng taon. Yan yung namin siya festival sa Bukawi. Ito yung souvenir namin nung nag-visit si Orly Vilay last 2019. Ito yung pagoda na lumubog noong 1993. If familiar kayo, the pagoda tragedy. Yan yung sinasakyan nung buong Cruzawa na lumubog 1993. Then, itong nasa taas, ito lahat yung mga nakatalo. Then, ito yung nasa likod. Ito yan. Siya yung 13-year-old boy na nag-save ng around 20 people during this Sajid bullying. Namumukawi siya. Kaya lang, hindi rin siya nakaligtas kasi natamaan siya ng isang debris. Yan.
We're here in Carilagan Stevia Farm. Stevia raw is the alternative of sugar. It's a leaf. We're gonna make we're gonna learn how to make pulveron. Sayang, tapos na yung defense. Papapakain sa natin sa panelists. Gonna eat na. We're gonna eat. Nakakaita pa ng inasal. And I'm gonna eat that. Because I'm craving for inasal right now. Rice, carbonara, bagnet, inasal. Ano to? Filet. Then salad. Then coffee gel. Iced tea is water. Even if
Mas maganda daw yun.
neck.
Kasi yung facility daw.
Let's open it.
Relax moisture.
Coffee jelly for dessert. Sabi hindi siya masarap.
So like that's better.
Foamy. May bubbles. But okay.
No, meaning they whisk it.
Oh my God!
And so, babe.
Talaga. Ay, grabe yung kapal sa kasuot.
You're connecting with nature.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh!
Ay, sige be. Okay lang yun. Deep mo lang.
Taste that.
Yan, deep mo lang.
Lord, malapit ba ang Pilipinas?
It's sweet at first.
Lahat namin stevia.
Pero when you eat it a little bit longer, parang it nagiging normal peanut butter na lang siya. So, I don't know the difference ng mga peanut butter. Some kasi medyo peanut talaga. Peanut butter na walang label on top. Yun yung ginagamit pang kare-kare.
Joseph! Medyo malinis, Joseph, ha? Medyo malinis.
Ang dumi!
Tigilan mo ako. Taste test. Ay, thank you po, ma'am. Ang sweet naman ni ma'am. Ma'am, say hello to the vlog po. Say hello po.
Thank you! Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa kanila.
Swinging a lot of we dipping a lot of we dipping a bottle of flow. So keeping so good at chipping on wood, getting right at internet good. Go bang bang rocking it, bang bang cooking it, cleaning it, dominant, prominent. It's me, Jesse and Ari. If they test me, they sorry. Riders up like a Harley, then pull up in his Ferrari. If he hanging, we banging. Phone ringing, he's slanging. It ain't karaoke night, but get the mic 'cause I'm singing. B to the A, to the N, to the G, to the B to the A, to the N, to the G, to the A. Anybody should be good to go. You need a bag and a fire in your mind.
Okay, para sa in. Touchdown first. Touchdown para sa last stops. Second to the last. Kasi may kalayaan mamaya.
May kalayaan mamaya.
Ay, may kalayaan tree later.
Hindi natin ang katahimikan inside the museum and the church premises. So, ang museum is Malolos Republic Museum sa unang Republika ng 1899 na nagbibigay halaga sa dalawang malagang bahagi ng kasaysayan. Malolos Congress, which started on September 15, 1898, and the Malolos Republic on January.
Okay, done with Paraswain. Going to